Perfect. Love it. Got it, mate.
Love to the camera.
It should be.
Putol yun ah.
Yeah, onset nga siya, no? Wine glass by.
So apparently we got lost because this here. It's Mikel's fault. It's Mikel's fault today because we can't blame Laura because it's her birthday. So we're just walking and I'm already tired. It's just like 2 minutes when we started. I hope I'll survive. How many hours? 2.5 going to the beach.
We've just
back
gone
like 3.5
310 meters distance, mate, in 5 minutes, and he's tired.
And it's 6 kilometers to go.
Okay, I can do this. I'll just probably die along the
So
way.
at least it's less 300 meters from the 6 kilometers.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later, motherfucker.
Yeah, we're heading to the Wineglass Bay Lookout, and they are so tired. Yes, they are.
Lounge.
Now he's tired. Yeah.
So this is the birthday girl
That's the back of the birthday girl.
with the handsome celebrity wannabe.
You know what I
And we're just climbing the stairs.
No?
First stop
And last stop.
and last
Hanggang
time.
dito na lang.
Then we're going up to the Wineglass Bay Lookout. Then maybe we'll go to Wineglass Bay if we're not too tired. Yeah, Mikey?
Yep. I'll just play Mike. I'm gonna go there.
It will be great.
So
I might die.
talk about Stairmasters. Oh, and just when I thought that the stairs was about to end, here we are again. And there they are. What up, bitches? GoPro, stop recording. So here we are, almost there. 5 minutes more and we're at the top of the lookout. English pa more.
So yes, we are here.
We're scared to go back
We're
up. We're
scared to
gonna
go.
live there. We're gonna camp at the Wineglass Bay.
Yeah, because it's an all way downhill up here, and the lookout is there. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen.
Call for rescue.
Oh no, that's why. Look at that. Look at that. Imagine us going back up.
Yes. We'll die. For sure.
I'm having
Adventure time!
I'm having fun going down, but we're not gonna have fun going up.
Hey, Mick.
Yep.
It's my birthday.
Yep.
Can we break JM's leg and call for emergency?
It's already broken now. Consider it done.
Thank you.
Ana, mo gina.
Kanin na to diri.
Yeah, we're okay. We're just making sure that we get there in one piece. And
Fucking head lang.
Don't hurry.
yeah,
Not just my knees, apil kong ankle, right?
yeah. It's connected. Careful. I can hear the slip. You good? Imagine the going up.
Shorts.
2.4.
0.6.
Goodbye, wallaby.
Tama yung feet, no?
Hi, wallaby.
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 I wanna be I wanna be like you. I wanna be like you. Hey, Mr. Wallaby.
Black hairy balls.
Yes, monkeys.
The tree, under the tree, we're walking on the lonely road.
We're here.
Finally, we are here, Wineglass Bay. And when we're here, it looks like a normal bay, but we're so lucky to see this boat here. Yep. There they are. Yep. And we're currently on the beach right now. It's what's called the Wineglass Bay. So we've trekked a total of 3.7 kilometers. And we're that slow that it took us around an hour and 15 minutes to come here. But outside it says 2.5 hours return. So it's most likely we're in there with the normal people speed. So you can see the bay from here. It's not clear. Let's take footage earlier or later because I didn't bring my lumix. Just brought my 5D because I don't want to bring a lot of cameras here. Okay, so I'll be back in a bit. Right now it's raining in the Wineglass Bay and we look like a ninja. Oh, we're in Wineglass Bay and the birthday girl here is wearing my jacket. Yeah, you're wearing my jacket and yeah.
I look like a 10-year-old.
Yeah, you turned 11 today.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's walk.
What are you doing that? Let's go to the rocks and stuff.
It's a lie.
Oh, nindot mo na maglagay ka din oh, because it's...
Turn it, Mick. Okay lang.
That's why it's a good beach. Oh, why do I have to carry everything?
1, 2, 3. Ah, tubig! Yata, video ta ka! Wala, video ta ka. Kailangan lang. Kailangan lang. Okay, sige.
So apparently it's really cold right now, but...
Oh!
Hey, ito na ba? Fucking hell. So when you need to take a pee, just sit down in the water. I can't pee, it's too cold. Finally I was able to pee.
Peeing 101. What? Fuck! It's your pee! Fuck! Is it filming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Apparently.
So what can you say? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Just took a dip.
How was it?
Wineglass Bay.
You You want to do
a
it
bit
again?
cold now. I'm just dancing. Yeah, it's fun. You should try it. No, my stomach. No, my stomach. No. Here. Okay. So yeah, Wineglass Bay, good. Good sand.
And
Not
it's
that
raining.
white, but its grain is good. Water's cold now, but summer will be perfect.
And not
look
too
at
many
the
people.
cove. Look at the bay. It's cool.
You think there's people on the
Want
boat?
me to take a dip? I can take a dip now. Focus! Focus!
Yeah.
You're not focused. No, I can't swim. It's too cold.
Yeah, it's not focusing on you. I don't know.
It's not autofocus. It's manual focus, it's canon.
Ah, I don't.
How was your first dip on cold Australian waters, mate?
Freezing, mate.
It's freezing. Freezing. How was your first pee in a very good bay?
It still tasted.
Fucking shit.
After that freezing dip in the water, now it's time for the climb. GoPro stop.
Yes, you can do it.
Finally home.